What's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. It has been a long time since I last vlogged, but it's because I've had school, I've had work, but as you guys can tell by the title of this video, I'm actually in Thailand right now, so I finally got some time to take a vacation and I really want to vlog it with you guys. What's that? That rice looks so good. Oh, you guys know how I feel about my spring rolls.
It's like,
what is it?
I don't know, but it's melting in my mouth.
It's good?
Yeah, it's like sweet.
It's probably, I don't know.
It looks
Oh, it is good. Alright guys, so we made it to Wat Pho. This is Bangkok's flower market. There were just streets full of flowers and it smelled so sweet. Like everything you could ever imagine. It smelled like roses and lilies, every type of flower, and it was just gorgeous. I love flowers. That's one thing about me you guys should know by now. So last night we flew into Phuket and today we're actually on our way to go to the Elephant Sanctuary in Phuket, and it had to be one of the best days of my life. The handlers were so amazing and the elephants were just so sweet and so well taken care of. It just took my breath away. Everything about it was so gorgeous and just such an amazing experience. So I recommend completely. Everyone, please go to those elephant sanctuaries. Just see what they're all about.
Okay, they used to be in the riding camp, in the circus, in the logging, and we rescue them. Okay, how to rescue the elephant, everybody? Okay, we do two ways for rescue the elephant. Okay, the first, we buy the contract from the previous owner. Okay, and we have to pay 800,000 baht.
I also bought a few things from the sanctuary just so I could support them, and I got some souvenirs like some bracelets and a little dream catcher for one of my friends. Okay, bye mamas. The next day, Cheyenne and I went shopping on the walking street, and it was busy out, but we were also just looking to buy some clothes and get our hair braided. I ended up getting a hot pink and purple color, and Cheyenne got a nice neon blue. Light the beach on fire. Oh God, Jesus. couple days after New Year's, we actually went down to the PhiPhi Islands. We did a full island tour that included going to the limestone formations. We got to see monkeys swimming in the water. We got to play in the water on the sand. Hey little one. Hey little one. There's a little monkey swimming in the water.
Pelo cabelo. Se for, qual problema? Já viu rico namorar pobre?
I hope you guys enjoyed watching some of the highlights from my trip to Thailand, and I just want to let you guys know that it is really affordable, the food is delicious, the people are really nice, and the experiences and the adventures you guys will go on are unmatched, so it's safe to say that Thailand is one for the books. So thank you guys so much for watching, and stay tuned if you guys want to see Cheyenne flip off a giant slide at the end. Go Cheyenne!